Thousands of Houstonians have piping issues with their homes each year. Many of these homes fall prey to the corrosion of cast iron piping. Others suffer from leaks or breaks caused by the shifting of soil. Both scenarios, if untreated, can cost the homeowner an enormous amount of money. Allied Foundation has been in the business for over 27 years. If you believe your pipes are cracked or broken, call a name you can trust. Call Allied Foundation.
This is the broken line over here. It's a cast iron line. Cast iron after 40 years, it needs to be replaced. And it's broken over here all the way. We got another leak over here, right where this pipe hooks up. Right here, you can see how corroded it is. And the same thing over here, under here. There's another breaking of the pipe over here. In a couple of years, all of these lines will be leaking, will be breaking. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take these lines out and we're gonna replace them with PVC.
So, how can you tell if your lines need to be repaired or replaced? Are your pipes corroding? Do you have issues with drainage? Have you noticed the inside of your house sinking? If you answered yes to any or all of these questions, it's time to call Allied Foundation. Our highly trained technicians will perform an on-site diagnosis using the latest technology to identify and isolate the problem area. Don't spend thousands having your yard dug up when you can rely on our tiny, self-leveling camera system to do the job. What you are looking at now is a first-person point of view inside your piping system. We travel deep within your lines to find out exactly where the problem is. Once isolated, the technicians report back to the team, directing them to the exact location of the break or leak.
What we're doing over here, we're trenching to replace the new lines on the sewer. We're going with all new lines on the sewer on this house. So we're trenching out and hooking up to the main city line that comes over here. That way we're gonna go with all new lines under and outside the house. They're being replaced because they're cast iron. Cast iron after 40 years, it needs to be replaced. It's not gonna be good after 40 years. There are a lot of houses in Houston that are still with cast iron plumbing. Then what happens, you start getting leaks under your house because your foundation to settle. PVC doesn't corrode and it can last you for a long, long time.
So now the problem has been diagnosed, the bad piping has been removed, and replacement piping has been installed.
Now that the cast iron is out, we have replaced it with new PVC lines. As you can see, these are the hangers that we use to hang the pipes to the slab so that the pipe won't move.
After refilling the trenches and a thorough cleanup, we are on our way. The only sign of Allied Foundation being at your home will be a permanent solution to the very serious problem of broken or leaking sewage lines. Competitive pricing, world-class customer service, Allied Foundation, serving Houston since 1982.